Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Click on the menu icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Go into Settings and click to see more in Account Center. Then tap on your accounts from Account Settings. You can remove your Facebook and Instagram account from here. Click to remove your Instagram account. You can see the Manage Sync Profile info from the other options. And click on Remove Account, then tap to continue. Now hit the Yes, Remove My Account button. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.